I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS animation. We'll start by understanding what CSS animations are and why they are so powerful for web design. They bring your web pages to life, making them more engaging and interactive for users. You'll discover how simple it is to add movement. We'll cover the fundamental concepts and properties you need to begin creating your own dynamic effects right away. Next, we'll dive into the heart of CSS animation, keyframes. These are crucial for defining the different stages of your animation. You'll learn how to set the initial state at 0% and the final state at 100%. We'll also explore using intermediate percentages to create more intricate and controlled transitions, giving you precise command over your animated elements. Now, let's explore the core properties that give you fine-tuned control over your animations. We'll cover animation duration to set how long an animation runs, and animation delay to specify when it starts. You'll also learn about animation iteration count for repetitions and animation direction for playback. Finally, we'll look at animation timing function to control the animation speed curve. To take your skills further, consider combining multiple animations on a single element for truly unique effects. Mastering the animation shorthand property will also streamline your code significantly, making it cleaner and easier to read. Remember, consistent practice is key to becoming proficient. You can find a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. Keep experimenting and have fun animating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.